Hi, today I'm for Galaxy A34 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see sound, vibration or mood modes. Just to select them, switch these modes by this way. If you want to activate vibration while ringing, use the switcher. To change ringtone notification sounds, just click here and select one from these available sounds. To change the system sound and volume, we should slide to the left or to the right side this panel with our finger. Also, if you want to change the sound system, select one from these sounds. To turn on and turn off touch interaction, dial buttons, keyboard, charging and unlock sounds, we should click on the switcher to turn on and turn off the options. In volume section, we just could change ringtone, media notifications, system sounds, just by slide to the left or to the right side as dots. And to use volume keys for media switcher, when it's activated, we'll use the volume buttons to change the medias, and when we'll turn it off, we'll change the volume of the ringtone. So let's go back to change the call vibration notification vibration pattern. We should just select one from these available patterns. In vibration intensity, you can turn on, switch on or switch off, change this intensity by switch this dot to the left or to the right side. And in sound equal effects, we could turn on and turn off the LB items for gaming, and to change the equalizer. And also, if you want to use the don't disturb mode, you could turn on and turn off by using the switcher. To set the schedule, the start and the end time, to allow just calls, messages, notifications and alarms from one, now one, anyone, someone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.